today, and we've been eating a lot of pizza. And today, it's not any different, except we're gonna go make some pizza with an Italian chef. So, let's go. Okay. You excited to make pizza?
I actually am, yeah. Because when I got here, I wasn't really hungry. And then, you know, you start smelling the pizza and everything else, and now I'm ready to go. I'm ready to get this party started. Oui, oui.
Now we have the water, half of it, not all the water. Like just some water. Good. Half of it, yes. Go slow. Just 2 fingers everybody, the students and it's okay, we're gonna mix it anyway at the end. Like we needed to make it a little wider. So when we do this, now we'll start to mix the flour. Yeah? Yes, a little hard.
That's not looking the same.
Why? Because we have overused the flour. We need to reach something. There's no problem. But the point is, like when you reach the consistency,
My dough is better.
especially when you are using it.
I'm a natural.
You need from the
Let me
start,
see your dough.
you already know the consistency that you want. So you're gonna keep it from the
Here's
first
my dough.
moment. That
Too
you don't
hard.
try to
Too
overuse
hard.
the flour with the
Not good.
Not good. Not good.
Out of my Maya kitchen.
Let's say this is a base. You go with this. 1 kilo flour, we will use 550 milliliter water, 30 grams of salt maximum, and 4 grams of fresh yeast.
Okay.
We say 30 grams because this is enough for the salt, I'm saying, because one of the ingredients is so important, salt adds more elasticity to the dough, makes the dough more consistent. We don't overuse the salt, otherwise the pizza, maybe you get good consistency, not so hard, not so soft like we want. But when you get to stretch the pizza, it shakes down. This is because of the overusing the salt. So salt is something important. Once you go, see? Good.
Nice and soft, like a baby's bottom.
Yep, I'm ready to eat this bad boy.
Dig in.
Guys, we're gonna flip it over to make sure it's covered with sunflower.
Okay.
Nice. And push it all the way to the middle. Yes. Good. And we stop. A little taller, yes. Once you put the rolling pin in the middle, vertically, it should be a little more.
Is it okay that these bubbles showing up?
The bubbles is a good sign that the dough is perfect.
Oh, okay.
Yes. No, bubbles is a good sign that the dough is completely perfect. This dough has been resting everybody for up to 30 hours now.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So now it's so easy. From the middle, everybody.
Okay.
So, to the left. Of course, will not go so much with the clients. Like some people, they don't like oregano, they don't like the garlic. That's why these things you can add it on the pizza when you finish it, and it's so easy to get the same flavor. Taste it, of course, when you finish your pizza. You're gonna see how fresh it is. We do this with the spoons, remember? And we stop at this point. We need everybody to leave like 1 inch for the crust. We don't exceed the crust. We don't go outside the pizza.
How long do you cook like these tomatoes? How long do you cook with tomatoes?
pizza will take all of it at the end, like 1 minute in the oven.
And just for the sauce. So
No.
you make them just from the cans? Or?
Yes, I don't cook it. It's completely fresh. So we're good. Perfect. We finished. Good.
Laney, I think
So we're perfect here. It's liquid. When you do this too much, you are giving the chance to the dough to absorb more and more of this liquid. With the time you're going to take with the rest of the toppings, there is a chance that the pizza will stick to the flour as we clean the extra flour from the soup. We call this brand, though this is a common one here, we call it Fior di Latte. Fior di Latte, just it's a good brand because we are making the mozzarella out of full fat milk. That's why it's a little greasy, it doesn't dry so much inside the oven. You still can enjoy some good mozzarella on the top. Yes, spread it around, the same spot of the sauce.
like na sosie.
The same spot of the sauce, you spread it around and that's it. Like it will still don't exceed the cooking space. We have some salami, sweet salami, spicy salami, we have some.
Ostro salami też?
Some ham we have. So spicy. Okay.
Looking good.
Yes, something like this.
Oh, you tried it like that?
It's already cut in pieces, so you spread it around if you want.
Trochę maybe not spicy.
Cannot wait to eat this. Show me that pizza.
Yes. Show me your face with the pizza. You present it like this.
This is perfection. That looks good.
Look at that. It worked up an appetite. Dig in.
Dig in.
Right. Here we go. Alright, I got it recorded. Okay, let's dig in. All that hard work. Oh, that was so good. That is some dang good salami. It is
Spicy?
yes. Well, what do you think?
A lot of meat.
This is a meat lover's pizza.
The water for you.
Thank you. Bruschetta.
So I'm not really like a big fan of cooking, but this was like a really cool experience, a lot of fun. I thought I was gonna be like really bad at the whole dough part, but that turned out to be like my strength. So Laney will tell you that like I had the better dough, I have the better pizza. This is coming straight from the chef.
Wait a second.
Just saying, it's official. We just stuffed our face with pizza. How should we end the night?
I think that we should end it with a little treat. I saved a little bit of room for a treat.
No,
I just made it.
I don't like cheese.
Buonasera.
You don't like pizza then?